Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to write and read data to AWS DynamoDB using AWS CLI. So in the previous video, I was not able to add an item to a DynamoDB using the AWS CLI because I was getting few errors, but I hope that this will work in this video. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. All right, so this is my DynamoDB and this is my command line and this is Notepad++. So I am creating a new file here and I'll paste the content of the commands that I want to use in this file. Let me do that. Okay, I will save it. So I've saved this file with the JSON format. So I will go to my command line. Okay, so it would be AWS DynamoDB put item table name music and the item file is my item.json and this is the return consumed capacity total additional parameter. I'll hit enter. Error passing parameter unable to load okay, so I'm not on that location, but see, I'm gonna go to that location and I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go here and this is where my file is. Let's see. Item.json. I'm sorry, the name of the file is put item.json. Let's see. It is done. Right, so you would get AWS DynamoDB put item and then you got this. Now if you go here and refresh, okay, so let me try it again. So what I've done I've installed Linux subsystem on my Windows 10 laptop, and maybe it was not working because I was running the bash commands onto my Windows command prompt. So I have installed a Linux subsystem and I've installed Ubuntu on my Windows 10 laptop to use the bash command prompt. Let me try all the commands again. So let me do sudo apt install AWS CLI. Do this. Okay. Let me enter the password. I hope I remember it. Let me verify. Alright, it is installed. I'm sorry, I forgot the password. So let me try it again. Package AW is not available but is referred to by another package. This may mean that a package is missing, has been obsolete, or is only available for another source. Let me try again. So I have run sudo apt-get update, and let me try to run sudo apt installed AWS CLI again after this is done. Okay, now when I ran sudo apt-get install AWS CLI, it is now configuring, but it said that additional disk space will be utilized, so I didn't mind that. Let it run and configure, and then I will run the commands again. Alright, it is all set. Let me try and run the command again, or let me do it. Let me see if it works or not. Okay, the tool, the AWS CLI is successfully installed. Let me do the access key ID and everything else and try and run the commands again. I think finally it worked. Let me go to the console and see. I am logging on to the console. I will click on my table. Okay, here you go. So I added these two. Now let me try and read that using AWS CLI. So I'll do AWS DynamoDB get item consistent read, and it gave me this output, right? So the crux is, like, if you're running those commands from the Amazon documentation on your Windows laptop, make sure that you install Linux subsystem for your Windows through that option, turn on Windows feature on and off. And then you have to download and install a Linux image. I installed Ubuntu from the Windows App Store, and then you have to configure it like the way I did, right? So I know this was very lengthy and I need to do the configuration as well, but if you have any more queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Overview, items, ABC.